Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am lecturer Muhammad Farhan Sheikh. Today my topic is dark reaction. In previous lecture, we discussed light reaction, and light reaction, proceed only in the presence of light. Plant capture light. Due to light, the activation of electron take place, and the electron move from chlorophyll B to chlorophyll A. Due to the movement of electron, some energies are proceed in the thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. These energies are ATP and NADPH2. These energies are ATP, adenosine triphosphate, ठीक है, and NADPH2, and the enzymes of stroma. Basically, light reaction proceed in the thylakoid membrane, and in light reaction, light must be required, but dark reaction take place in the stroma of chloroplast. Stroma of chloroplast is a ground liquid, contain some enzymes. These enzymes are most important, and they take part in the dark reaction of photosynthesis. So in dark reaction of photosynthesis, three things are utilized. For example, ATP, NADP, and enzymes of stroma. Dark reaction involve conversion of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. It occurs in the stroma of chloroplast. It occurs in the stroma of chloroplast. Chloroplast present in the mesophyll cell of leaf. It occurs in the stroma of chloroplast. The dark reaction consists on the different step and proceed by the help of different enzymes. Each enzyme take part very important role, and in this reaction product of light reaction are utilized. So this is a dark reaction, or it also called as Kelvin-Benson cycle. Kelvin-Benson, name of the scientist. These scientists first time observed the dark reaction of photosynthesis in the unicellular algae chlorella. Chlorella, may I discuss in the previous chapter, chapter number 7, Kingdom Protoctista. In economical importance of chlorella. Chlorella used in physiological experimental research such as photosynthesis and respiration. Now we discuss C3 plants. What are the C3 plants and C4 plants? The fixation of carbon dioxide in the dark reaction of photosynthesis is referred to as C3 pathway. Because the first product of dark reaction is G3P. G3P, you know what is G3P? Glycerate 3 phosphate. This is the first product of dark reaction. For example, let me suppose that when carbon dioxide combined with RUBP. What is RUBP? RUBP is a ribulose 1,5 by phosphate. This is a complex compound, and when carbon dioxide combine with this complex compound, ribulose 1,5 biphosphate or ribulose biphosphate carboxylase or ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. This is a complex compound. When carbon dioxide combined with RUBP, then it forms a complicated compound keto acid. Keto acid contains 6 carbon, and this is a unstable compound. So keto acid break down into 2 molecules. One is that G3P, means glycerate 3 phosphate. So glycerate 3 phosphate is a first product of dark reaction, and glycerate 3 phosphate contain 3 carbons. For example, when carbon dioxide combined with ribulose 1,5 biphosphate, then it is form a complicated compound called keto acid. Keto acid contains 6 carbon. Keto acid is a unstable compound, so it break down into 2 molecules. One is that glycerate 3 phosphate, and glycerate 3 phosphate contain 3 carbon. So on this basis, dark reaction is called C3 pathway, because glycerate 3 phosphate is the first product of dark reaction. Now we discuss next topic, discovery of Calvin cycle. Discovery of Calvin cycle. Calvin and his co-worker between 1946 to 1953. Calvin and his co-worker between 1946 to 1953 discuss unicellular alga called chlorella, and in chlorella investigate the different step of dark reaction, and they also discuss the fixation of carbon dioxide. You know, chlorella is the unicellular green alga grow in fresh water. For example, ponds, lakes, rivers, and other things. So keep in your mind the dark reaction of photosynthesis first time observed in unicellular algae chlorella. Now we discuss second thing is that ribisco. You know what is ribisco? Ribisco is an enzymes. Ribisco is an enzyme. These enzymes take part in the fixation of carbon dioxide with ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. Because this enzyme is responsible for the combination of carbon dioxide and complex compound ribulose 1,5-biphosphate. For example, let's suppose that carbon dioxide plus RuBP and ribisco G3P means carbon dioxide combined with ribulose 1,5-biphosphate or bisphosphate in the presence of this enzyme ribisco and form complicated compound G3P means glycerate 3-phosphate. So then this enzyme was first discovered in 1954. 1954 first time observed that this enzymes and play key role in the dark reaction of photosynthesis. Ribulose bisphosphate carboxylate, abbreviated as ribisco, discovered and found to catalyze combination of carbon dioxide with RuBP to form an unstable 6-carbon compound, and this unstable 6-carbon compound is split into two molecules. One is that glycerate 3-phosphate. Ribisco is functional in all photosynthetic living organism except some photosynthetic bacteria, and it is the most essential enzymes on the earth. So today my lecture on dark reaction, introduction of dark reaction. Inshallah we will discuss next time in detail dark reaction of photosynthesis. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.